Hi P17. Today I want to show you or remind you how to play this game that you brought home from school called Making 10 with 10 frames. So this is the answer sheet or the game board, and then you also have a green piece of paper with a 10 frame on one side and two 10 frames on the other side. You guys are pretty good at making 10 really quickly, so this might be a good one to teach to someone younger. If you have someone younger in your family, or even someone who just has never played this game before, you could teach them. So I'm going to teach Mr. Tens. Okay. So this is how there are many ways that you can figure out how many more to make 10. I'm going to show you the way of using a 10 frame. So you're going to need some things to put on your 10 frame, like we've been doing with the other games. Two different types of things. So it could be two different kinds of coins, two different colors of buttons, two different types of small toys, whatever you can find. I have, since I'm doing mine on the screen, I have orange squares and blue diamonds, and that's what I'm going to use. Okay, so player one is going to roll your number cube, and I got 1. So you can count on from 1 to get 10. You can use the number line to count hops to make 10, but I'm going to show the way of using the 10 frame right here. So if I got 1, I'm going to put 1 orange square in the 10 frame, and then I'm going to see how many more blue triangles I would need. Blue diamonds, I mean. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then over on the answer sheet, it's in plastic, so you can use your whiteboard marker to write the answer. So I would write 1 plus 9 makes 10. And you're going to check that for me. Okay, that looks good. I know all about making 10. Yes, I know you do. You are Mr. Tens. So now it's going to be your turn to roll the dice. Okay. 5. Okay. So you're going to put how many in the 10 frame, Mr. Tens? I'm going to put 5 orange ones. Okay, I've already got 1 up here, so 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the blue ones, it's almost ready, they're already there, but I need 1 more. And then that's also 5. So you can write it down over here. 5 plus 5 makes 10. And I say you are correct. Awesome. So you can teach this to somebody, and you can use lots of different strategies to make 10. And I hope you have fun.